Ka health camp ban ajin smart age ki pai ba bat ban Khmieh Bniah ki breu ki badan ni ka Jingpang HIV AIDS sari boy rasa ki ka jingwan chumbanta kumbakhat ar hajar ar spa prapu arngut ki nong shong gari boy ban check up ela de halor ki Jingpang ba per haki shispa prapu etli ki kam ya ka ne ka health camp na tep kum ka integrated health camping ka Pynlong ka Khmieh AIDS control society haka ji trilang bat ka office deputy commissioner bat ki ki tnat sarkar ya ka bla sedang na do khatnyu trik rusaw arjar fly bal apan kun no man ta ka si khandai trik kelalingkot arjar arsaw ya ka te ka integrated health camping lawan berpenahap perdana mentaka singi do ba Meral Bonds MLA ka nongpo ubederu chairman ka Khmieh State Health Advisory Board joka sarkar jela ko mukongsan haka jinga don langa Dr. Biderkus project director ka MSCS ka Dr. El Mortong deputy director medical MSCS ka Dr. Dibla additional damage or Riboy district ka Dr. Ekelwing district AIDS control officer Riboy district bat ki officer na kitna sarkar ba per bat ka tanat ka kya hagati ka singi na liang ka MSCS kala yo rupan Pynkut burami kitna sarkar ba per ki doktor ka tanat ka kya ki kunhun tremon ngubha ki bladon benta nadu pasdang ka te ka health camping.
Prevention is always better than cure, and we have prioritized Riboy over other districts for the second integrated health campaign in the state because of the following objectives. Riboy is an aspirational district of Meghalaya, and it is sharing a long boundary with Assam, which is having a concentrated at-risk population. It also has the national highway connecting the gateway of northeast India through Meghalaya to the Barak Valley in Assam, leading to other northeastern states which are having a higher prevalence like our state, that is Manipur, Mizoram, and it also leads to ultimately to Myanmar and the Golden Triangle. Riboy also has a high mobility of daily wage laborers, commercial drivers because of the highway, and a number of factory workers working in the different industries present in this district. And we had also conducted the IHC to bring about awareness to the general population of Riboy district. As Dr. Talwing had mentioned, Riboy has 515 PLHIVs, people living with HIV, but the loss to follow up is a great cause of concern, and the number stands at 99. A little bit on the concept of the integrated health campaign. This is a newer strategy by NACO to control, manage and contain the rising HIV and related infection within a short time period, that is 3 to 6 months. This was taken actually because in recent years the studies have shown that a large number of cases are actually from the unreached population, that is the partners of PLHIVs, injecting drug partners, and so on.
Since the time we met in East Jainta Hills in Khmieh, which is one of the districts with a high rate of HIV positive within the state, even though Riboy, it falls in the category as a low category, but you have taken an initiative to come because we know our district is a vulnerable area, vulnerable district. We share a porous border with Assam. We have a highway which connect 2 to 3 states within a northeastern state. We have several industries. We have 2 EPIP campus, one in Unyam, one in Bniah. We have quite a large number of laborers also who came from outside the state for different purposes that has been entrusted within this district. As we have seen in the past, the data that has been placed, it is quite alarming. There is a campaign, a mantra for say no to drugs, say no to tobacco, say no to plastic, and there are different initiatives that has been taken, not only by the health department, but by different stakeholders, NGOs, civil society, government missionaries, to eradicate many issues that are there within our society. And we are here today to witness this program on the closing ceremony. And I'm not wrong to say that it is a right time that each and every one of us, we have to come together